Good afternoon, and a very warm welcome to the Black Hole. In a society that demands resilience from women but offers little and quite often no support, what does mental well being truly look like? What happens when the weight of societal expectations takes a toll on a woman's mind? ख़ास तौर पे एक पेट्रियार्कल सेटअप में जैसा कि हमारा समाज है यही है आज हमारी गुफ्तगू का पेराया विमेंस मेंटल हेल्थ इन अ पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी और इस अहम इस ज़रूरी मौजू पर गुफ्तगू के लिए वी हैव आवर गेस्ट स्पीकर अनीला ख़ान जो मेरे दाएं जानिब तशरीफ़ फरमा है अनीला ख़ान इज़ clinical psychologist, speech and language therapist, and mental health advocate. Founder है of GAPDAS, that is Global Alliance for Persons with Different, Additional and Special Needs. Moreover, Anila is co-founder of Recovering from Childhood Abuse and Trauma and that of Neurodivergent Adults Pakistan. आपकी खिदमात, आपकी कंट्रीब्यूशन, आपकी एडवोकेसी को कौमी सतह के साथ साथ बैनुल अक़वामी सतह पर भी सराहा गया है और आपको 10 नॉमिनेशंस एंड अवार्ड्स के लिए आपको सेलेक्ट किया गया। मैं चंद एक का नाम लेता जाऊँ। ऑटिज़म हीरो अवार्ड नॉमिनी हैं आप 2023 के लिए, इंटरनेशनल इंस्पिरेशन वीमेन अवार्ड 2023, मेंटल हेल्थ अमेरिका कॉन्फ्रेंस अवार्ड 2023, नेशनल डाइवर्सिटी अवार्ड पॉजिटिव रोल मॉडल 2023, इसके अलावा शारजा इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड फॉर रिफ्यूजी एडवोकेसी एंड सपोर्ट 2024 एंड 2025, likewise National Diversity Award 2024 and 2025, as well as Saturi, the Pakhtunkhwa Award, that is the Pakhtunkhwa Star 2025 Award. आप लोगों की आमद का शुक्रिया। थोड़ी सी जहमत करके अपने सेल फोन्स काइंडली साइलेंट मोड पे स्विच कर लें सो दैट देयर इज़ नो डिस्ट्रैक्शन। गुफ्तगू के दौरान या बाद में हस्ब रवायत व्हेन द हाउस विल बी ओपन फॉर Q&A, आप उसमें ज़रूर शरीक होइएगा। जस्ट रेज योर हैंड फर्स्ट सो दैट दिस माइक्रोफोन इज़ गिवन टू यू, क्योंकि इसके बगैर आपकी आवाज़ जो है वो ऑनलाइन ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुँच पाएगी। एंड दैट्स इट। सो प्लीज़ वेलकम सतूरी द पख्तूनख्वा यानी अनिला खान। थैंक यू।
काफ़ी लंबा इंट्रोडक्शन था। So today we are talking about mental health, women mental health. So it's an open question right now. जब तक हमारी presentation होती है, what is women mental health? Before that, what is mental health? Okay. So if we talk about women health, like अगर हम mental health की बात करें, तो कौन सी disorder आपके mind में आती है, कौन सी condition आपके mind में आती है? Female बताएं। Yes, female से हमारा question है. Because today we are going to talk about a lot of things female are not even aware of that. And some are very, you could say, unique for them. First time they will learn about that. Other than depression and anxiety. ADHD. Good. Like ND, autism, ADHD जो untreated होता है या not untreated but undiagnosed as childhood. इसके अलावा OCD, yes. It's good. वो एंग्जाइटी डिसऑर्डर के वैसे बाय द वे अंदर आता है, उसकी टाइप है, बट अगेन प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन हो रही है। ओके, सो एक और मैं आपको चीज़ यहाँ पे क्लियर करूँ कि व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट patriarchal society, it's not just about men affecting from that, like women affecting from that, men are also affecting from them. So a lot of things which we are going to talk about today is not just only affecting women but men also. So it's not just about power struggle, it's about how it is affecting people as a whole. And what about those people who don't want to fit in that roles? So वो भी उस struggle से गुजर सकते और गुजर रहे होते हैं. But क्योंकि women mental health, we are talking about that because there's this thing attached to women which we call resilient women, which we call strong women. And nowadays, like women history month is celebrating everywhere, and people are calling them, oh, you're strong woman, you're strong woman. So when somebody will call you strong, it means that you can, like आप सब कुछ फेस कर सकते हैं, आपको कुछ भी कहा जा सकता है, and you're resilient, आप पहाड़ पे भी चढ़ सकते, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. But it doesn't mean that कि, और जब ये आपको कहा जाता है, it means that they are taking you from the role कि आप रो नहीं सकते, आप डिप्रेस नहीं हो सकते, you have to have this strong face all the time. So it's more like that. Change the slide. Yeah, at the end of the day, we are human beings. And you know that animals also have issues, like they have depression, anxiety also. Like बाकायदा dogs have depression, and the other interesting thing is people are not even aware of that. When we are talking about any behavioral issues, like any behavioral thing, people are studying that behavior on animal first. उसके बाद वो human being पे जो है उसके ऊपर experiment किए जाती हैं, उनके बारे में बात की जाती है. But whenever they are studying about any medication, तो वो animals पे test होती हैं. Even psychological things also. It's not just medical researches. So next slide करें. Okay, so basically it's a general thing. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological well-being. It also determine how we handle stress related to others and make choices. And it also include that the moment that you're waking up in the morning and the moment that you're closing your eyes, and even if you're sleeping. So when you're sleeping, your unconscious is open. So it's like 24-hour. It's with you. Your brain is with you. Your mind is with you. Your body is with you. So. And it's not just about your physical thing, it's also about your physiological aspects also. So next important every stage of life from childhood to adulthood. And there's one thing called because I started as a development psychologist वो था जो कि अर्ली ईयर ऑफ लाइफ है उसे स्टार्ट करके ना आप बाद के स्टेजेस को भी स्टडी करते हैं. सो आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है पूरी स्ट्रगल को समझने के लिए. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इवन आप व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हाट वी डू इज़ इवन जब हम अडल्ट से भी बात करते हैं तो हम उनसे पूछना शुरू करते हैं कि आपका चाइल्डहुड कैसा रहा. तो इट मीन्स दैट के उनके जो डेवलपमेंटल माइलस्टोन उनके टाइम पे हुए थे कि नहीं हुए थे. अगर नहीं होते तो फिर वो कुछ कंडीशंस होती जिनके बारे में जैसे हम पहले बात करते हैं, उन्होंने बात की थी ADHD की, वो अटैच होती हैं. सो ये छोटी सी यहाँ पे ब्रेन हेल्थ, स्ट्रेस, सोशल ट्रॉमा, एंग्जाइटी, केयर डिसऑर्डर, हेल्प problems, psychiatry, so a lot of things. It means that it is. अच्छा यहाँ पे मैं आपको चीज़ बताऊँगी जो कि सबको काम आ सकती है. It's a very helpful thing when like it's a question that people would always think of when we need to go to psychologist. So it's more like there are 4 areas when we talk about when your problem is getting to your nerve. Personal life, like you are waking up on time, you're eating, you're taking your meals. आप सब कुछ टाइम पे करें कि नहीं करें. दिस इज फर्स्ट इंडिकेटर. सेकंड इंडिकेटर इज योर इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाउ इज़ योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, एंड इफ़ यू आर मैरिड विद योर वाइफ एंड इफ़ यू हैव चिल्ड्रन, उनके साथ आपके ताल्लुकात कैसे हैं, अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे. अगर अफेक्ट हो रहे इट मीन्स दैट योर प्रॉब्लम इज गेटिंग बिगर फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर एजुकेशन. एजुकेशन में इफ़ यू आर हैविंग गुड ग्रेड्स, नाउ यू डोंट हैव गुड ग्रेड्स, इट मीन्स दैट योर issue is affecting your grades also. And next thing is then your occupation. Occupation mean the place that you are like doing your job. वहाँ पे आपकी performance सब कैसे है. पहले you were able to complete your task in time. Now you're not able to do that. It means that your issue is bigger and you have to go to a psychologist. Psychiatrist medication देते हैं, psychologist give you talk therapy और बाकी therapeutic types भी होती हैं. Next slide करें. So let's talk about women and mental health. Next. अच्छा, women mental health इसलिए different होती है कि because it has different biological factors भी होते हैं साथ अटैच होते हैं. एंड ब्रेन इज़ आल्सो डिफरेंट, ब्रॉट अप डिफरेंट होता है, तो वो थोड़ी चीज़ें डिफरेंट उसमें होती हैं. लाइक दिस इज नाउ हाउ मैन विल फेस दैट. कुछ चीज़ें हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट द आइडिया व्हाट आई मीन. सो सम कॉमन सिम्टम्स इंक्लूड persistent sadness and feeling of helpless, noticeable changes, difficulty in sleeping, appetite and weight changes, misuse of alcohol, drug and both, and also impulse control और ये screen addiction बीच में आप ऐड करें. Because now I'm working with KKWF and वहाँ पे we started adding screen addiction in that also. And excessive fear of authority or anything, extremely high and low moods, aches हैं, body aches है, जैसे problem है, anger issues हैं, and social withdrawal and thoughts and behavior issues and thoughts and death of suicide attempts. And it also include violence too. Violence भी इसके अंदर आता है. Change करें slide. Also now when we talk about depression, so जब हमने एक depression सुना कि depression mood low होता है तो we talk about depression. Today I'm going to tell you more types of depression. Okay, so it could come when we talk about patriarchal society. Patriarchal society हम बाद में discuss करें, पहले हम talking about mental health. So research found evidence between high gender inequality and high ratio of depressive disorder related to all genders. मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि और also जब हम trauma की बात GBV की बात करते हैं तो दुनिया जहाँ में पूरी दुनिया में वायलेंस के केसेस मैन के साथ भी होते हैं, सिर्फ वुमेन के साथ नहीं होते. उसको अटैच किया जाता है ड्यू टू सर्टन रीजंस, बिकॉज ऑफ मैनी रीजंस, बिकॉज मैन बायोलॉजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग हो तो वुमेन बायोलॉजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होती, तो मैन जो हिट नहीं करते बहुत सारी रीजन की वजह से. उनको पता है अगर वो हिट करेंगे तो नुकसान ज़्यादा होगा, बट अगेन इट्स अ कॉन्ट्ररी थिंग. आज के टॉपिक से थोड़ी डिफरेंट है ये. सो caused by combination of biological, psychological, and one is major depressive disorder जो कि हम यूजुअली बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मैनिक एंड डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड. मैनिक एपिसोड वुड बी जब आप बहुत हाइपर होते हैं, बहुत खुश होते हैं, आपको चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा हाइपर में कर रहे होते हैं, लाइक यू वांट टू डू एवरीथिंग, यू एट ऑल ओवर प्लेस एंड इनकम्पल्सिव वाइब भी करेंगे, बाहर भी जाएंगे, इवेंट्स में भी जाएंगे, लाइक यू कुड सी दैट दैट पर्सन एनर्जी इज टू मच. अदर एपिसोड वुड बी डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड, एकदम से डाउन हो जाएंगे. एंड इसमें इंसोमनी और हाइपोसोमनी सब चीज़ें चल रही होती है, लाइक नींद ज़्यादा होती है, नींद कम होती है, एपेटाइट ज़्यादा होती है, एपेटाइट कम हो रही होती है. नेक्स्ट इज सीजनल डिप्रेशन. Seasonal depression, there's another name for that, we call it SDA, seasonal affective disorder. Seasonal affective disorder is people would face when they are leaving Pakistan actually. The reason for that is the weather is over here is different, and when you go to other cities like UK आप जाते हैं या US जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे कंडीशन इज़ डिफरेंट, वहाँ पे अंधेरा हो जाता है जल्दी, वहाँ पे चीज़ें जल्दी बंद होती हैं. सो दैट इज़ द ओवरऑल इन्वायरमेंट इज़ क्रिएटिव अ डिप्रेसिव थिंग ऑन यू, लाइक आपको लो कर देता है. सो बहुत सारे जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ से जाते हैं, जो मेरे क्लाइंट्स हैं, दे फेस दैट थिंग आल्सो. वो बहुत सारे लोग इसकी वजह से वापस भी आए हैं. दे डोंट हैव एनी अदर यू नो लाइक इट वॉज द फाइनल थिंग टू कम बैक, बिकॉज वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा उनकी ज़्यादा हो रही थी. दे वर नॉट एबल टू डू मोर थिंग्स, सो दे हैव टू कम बैक. नाउ प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल डिस्फोरिया डिसऑर्डर, इसमें PMS जैसे गर्ल्स मुझे बताएं, व्हाट इज़ PMS? नहीं गर्ल्स मुझे बताएं, थोड़ी शर्मा भी है लेकिन मुझे बताएं. नहीं PMS, व्हाट इज़ PMS? यस, प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल सिंड्रोम, या लाइक बिफोर जो पीरियड्स आपके आते हैं मेंसेस, उससे पहले कि आपको सिंड्रोम जो आपको एंग्जाइटी और डिप्रेशन फील होता है. सो उसकी वजह से भी आपको डिप्रेशन हो सकता है, फील होता है. एंड पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन बच्चे की पैदाइश के बाद. उसके बाद एक प्रीनेटल डिप्रेशन, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है उसके बाद होता है, उससे पहले मतलब ड्यूरिंग भी होता है, बाद में भी होता है. तो इट्स मीन देयर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ डिप्रेशन. हमें सिर्फ एक डिप्रेशन की बात का पता है, मैं लो फील कर रहा हूँ, मुझे डिप्रेशन हो गया. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ मेनी टाइप्स इट कुड बी. एंड इमेजिन दैट many of them are facing women face a lot of them because of different circumstances. अगर फीमेल का मूड ठीक नहीं है, घर के अंदर बैठी है, एटलीस्ट दे कैन नॉट गो आउटसाइड, बट मैन इफ दे आर फीलिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट दे कैन गो आउटसाइड. एंड आल्सो इट्स अ पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी. तो वट इज़ हैपनिंग इज़ के मेल जो है उनका इलाज करवाया जाता है, हमारे पास मेल ज़्यादा आते हैं और फीमेल नहीं आती, क्योंकि उन्होंने घर नहीं संभालना होता, बहुत सारे सर्कमस्टांसेज हैं. बट नाउ दिस अ डिफरेंट जनरेशन दैट आई एम डीलिंग राइट नाउ. सो अपने पॉकेट मनी से मुझे पे कर रहे होते हैं, बट इवन देन लाइक उनको मैं चार्ज कम करती हूँ, बट इवन देन लाइक यू नो इट्स अमेजिंग थिंग दैट दे नो दैट दे हैव टू डू दिस. नेक्स्ट करें. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एंग्जाइटी. एंग्जाइटी इज़ अ वेरी बिग टर्म, यानी कि इसमें बहुत सारी OCD आते हैं, बाकी जो है जनरलाइज एंग्जाइटी है, पैनिक डिसऑर्डर आता है, सोशल एंग्जाइटी है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फोबियाज भी आते हैं, लाइक सोशल फोबिया हो गया, स्टेज ऑफ फेयर है, स्टेज लाइक फेयर ऑफ ओपन प्लेसेस है. बट इट्स मोर लाइक पार्ट ऑफ स्कूल, वर्क, फैमिली. इट अफेक्ट एवरीथिंग एंड इट कैन अफेक्ट एनीथिंग. एंड it affect, and there's something about depression, anxiety also. Depression is something that is going to affect, that's something happened in your past. Anxiety is something that is going to affect you when something is happening in future. For example, if I'm coming to this presentation and I'm feeling confused, I'm feeling like palpitation, something like that, so it means that I have anxiety for this moment. So it's the difference between depression and anxiety. इसको change करें, next करें. Okay, now eating disorder. Are you familiar with that? It's a real thing actually. And just because of eating disorder, a lot of girls, like many girls have body dysmorphia. उनको issue होता है, body image का issue होता है, and they go toward dieting. And it could get strict dieting. Bulimia and anorexia दो types होती हैं. And when the study was started, so there were certain models in abroad who were very skinny. लाइक उनकी हड्डियाँ निकल आई थी, बट दे वर गोइंग थ्रू दैट. तो पर्जिंग आउट बहुत ज़्यादा खाते हैं, एंजाइटी है फेस में. एंड इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म वुमेन के अंदर एक्चुअली ईटिंग इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म आल्सो. डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म मीन्स दैट यू आर फाइंडिंग अ वे टू कोप इन सर्टन सिचुएशन. सो वो मेंटल भी होता है, वो फिजियोलॉजिकल भी होता है. सो ईटिंग इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो सीरियस इलनेस, इट इज़ सीरियस इलनेस बाय द वे, लाइक बहुत अफेक्ट करती है. आप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट समबडी इज नॉट ईटिंग फॉर 1 week and that person is eating for like 1 hour constantly and then purging out constantly, like vomit kare constantly. So it is something like that, and the thing is not going from their mind. और इनके साथ दूसरी डिसऑर्डर्स भी अटैच हो सकती हैं, एंग्जाइटी डिप्रेशन भी अटैच हो सकता है इसके साथ. एंड obsessed with weight loss आजकल बहुत है, जिस तरह से बॉडी वेट एंड शेप, बॉडी शेप सर्टन टाइप में आपने सर्टन टाइप के अपने कपड़े पहनने हैं, एंड कंट्रोलिंग देयर फूड इंटेक, एंड दैट कैन बी साइड ऑफ ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर आल्सो. नेक्स्ट. Question. Bulimia nervosa, yeah. Bulimia nervosa, it was. like yes उसको था, it was like mentioned before. I think उसको depression का भी था, like she was facing that also. Okay. So now let's talk about trauma and post-traumatic stress disorder. Now let me talk about something. When we talk about trauma, we need to understand one thing कि when trauma terms were coined, तो उस time पे जो इराक की जंग चल रही थी एंड अफगानिस्तान की जंग चली थी, तो जो यहाँ से वापस फौजी जाते तो उनको ट्रॉमा होता था एंड वो उसको उन्होंने PTSD का नाम दे दिया था. बट इट इज़ मोर देन दैट, लाइक पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर कि कोई इवेंट है उसके बाद आपको ट्रॉमा होता है. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट अब्यूज़ के बाद भी आपको ट्रॉमा हो सकता है. एंड इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि you are in that situation. If you observe that situation, if you learn about that situation, it can give you trauma also. And sometimes by observing and sometimes neglect is also a form of abuse. If somebody is neglecting a child, like for example, parent would say that कि हमने इनका पूरा their fridge is full, they need nothing. Like हमने इनके घर में सब कुछ दिया हुआ है, फ्रिज में सब कुछ है, इनको क्या चाहिए? So you are willfully neglecting your children and it is affecting your children very badly. So trauma is overwhelming majority individual who have exposed to violent conflicts. Not necessarily that, like I talk about neglect also, वो भी इसके अंदर आता है, trauma के अंदर आता है. Disaster in women and children, and the thing is that कि women and children are affecting more because of different reason. बच्चों की देखभाल उनको करनी होती है and they have to take care of a lot of things. And sometimes ऐसा भी होता है कि when it is like flood and situation like that is happening, then men have to go for certain work. वो जाते हैं कुछ और काम करते हैं और ख़वातीन को पीछे बैठ के इन चीज़ों की टेक केयर करनी होती है. सो वुमेन आर अफेक्टिंग मोस्ट एंड देन एक्सपीरियंसिंग ट्रॉमेटिक रिलेटेड मेंटल हेल्थ कंडीशन लाइक PTSD. सो आई ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट दैट. बट रिमेंबर दैट के it's not just about war trauma, it could go beyond that. But why women are facing that more? Because they are more fragile to that. And in many cases, if you talk about even in our own country, if you talk about Waziristan, वहाँ पे there are no male anymore. Like वहाँ पे जनाज़ों में भी बहुत बूढ़े होते हैं, कोई जवान नहीं रहा उनके अंदर, तो उनकी सब ख़वातीन ऐसे ही हैं. So you can imagine that what is the life of these women over there and how vulnerable they could be. It's more like that. And also I was working with a project of UN in the Afghanistan, and there were certain things that was increases जब तालिबान ने टेक ओवर किया था, and that was child labor. So when you know that child labor increased, then child abuse also increases that. So a lot of factors are affecting from that. So that's how we can say that women and children are vulnerable in that situation.
War fear, somewhat deep-seated fear that post-traumatic comes to women. War is over, even that. But there's
Yeah, you will face. And there's when we talk about clinically significant thing, I talk about 4 things in the start. These are 4 areas which you will consider how much that problem is affecting you. For example, you lost your job and you are feeling depression, anxiety because of that. And once you got your job and you are still in that state, it means that you have to go and you have to address out what is happening with you. So these are certain points when we are working with clients, we have to look at those things. It's not just like अगर कोई बंदा randomly कहते हैं कि मुझे depression है या मुझे OCD है या मुझे सफाई का OCD है, that slang people are using nowadays. So it's more like that. So we have to look into how much serious that situation is and how much it could affect them. Because if you talk about depressive episode, people have taken their life and it's not a joke. It's the only thing. Like they think that it's the only resolve. And going from that situation, going from that house, going from that world will solve that problem. So they literally think like that. उनको कुछ भी नज़र नहीं, बिकॉज ब्रेन फॉग इतनी होती है, इतना उनके अंदर नेगेटिविटी आ जाती है, इतनी चीज़ें उनके साथ हो जाती हैं, तो आपकी कोई भी दलील ना उनके सामने काम नहीं आ रही होती until unless there is some way out of that, or they find a way to come out of that, or they are going through some therapy. So burnout is something like some women may experience is prolonged high level of stress leading to burnout when juggling and career and taking most household, sometimes called like second shift. Women are often expected to take emotional, physical and domestic responsibility, relationship and a lot of things. So a lot of roles are there and women are burned out. And I think it's not just affecting them. If their burnout is affecting the household also, and it's affecting the children also. So because they're taking care of the children, they're taking care of the house, they're taking care of everything. And it's more like at the end, if you look toward any problem, like relationship problem भी होती है, घर के अंदर कोई झगड़ा भी होता है, बच्चे उससे सबसे पहले affect होते हैं. So if any fight is around and what the child will do, they will find a way to stop that. So they start acting something like that कि वो चीज़ रुक जाए. Like we'll talk about that some other day, but children are very smart nowadays, and they have to act as an adult to make them stop, to make their parents stop. And I remember one of my clients told me that she got a epileptic attack in front of their parents, and it was a very severe attack, and after that their parents stopped fighting actually. Otherwise there was this constant fight in their house every day without any reason. next page, next current slide. Okay, reduced self-esteem means poor self-esteem, poor self-image. So we were talking about eating disorder. So it is also one way of people taking out their anxiety, taking out their struggle, stress, whatever you can say. And due to low self-esteem, is related to dynamic societal scale. And what you could say is sometimes men are, what they are doing is, they are certain, what you could say. Okay, so it's more like, when they are good in something, so they are not paid the way they are supposed to pay. Pay scale is not equal, not just in Pakistan, even in Hollywood. Pay scale is जो उनको मिलते हैं पैसे, that is not equal. So that is one way to tell this whole world that it's not about first world country, it's not about third world country. Gender-based violence and this discrimination is everywhere, and it is the way that there's another reason that why, if you would say that why women are studying more and they have high grades, because they know that there is no other way out. If they will study, they will make their own career. But with men, they don't have those things. Like उनको पता है कुछ करे ना करे उनको inheritance में से हिस्सा मिल जाएगा, double हिस्सा मिल जाएगा. Like there are other circumstances also, but self-esteem leads to so many problems. Like you don't have confidence, and you don't have self-esteem, you cannot do like good decision. You're not goal-oriented, and you don't even have a life. Like you will just waste your own life, and at the end of the day, you're going to be a problem for your own self, and then you will problem for other people. Next slide. Okay, so stress. Stress could be from inequality, bias, stigma, discrimination, depression lead to high level of stress. Stress can come sometimes long term होगा तो PTSD तक जा सकता है. And inflammation, chronic pain, headaches, and sometimes there are certain states when people start having panic attacks. And I remember some of my clients told me that they would go to the doctor in emergency cases and they will have their ECG, and ECG is totally normal, but they are under stress. Doctors भी कहते हैं कि you're under stress, just go for certain kind of therapy. And next is neurodivergent condition, जैसे आपने बात की थी, अगर वो untreated हो. And remember that right now we are mostly focusing on women. Undiagnosed condition as a childhood neurodevelopmental condition हो सकता है, autism, ADHD, dyslexia हो सकता है. And there's something else also, जो my criteria they are male criteria actually. And we have been advocating that for so long, that the criteria, even not just in Pakistan, in abroad also, we all are talking about that the criteria that you have been developing is, sometimes you are telling them or asking them that it's a male, white male criteria. Like only white male would get that criteria, other people are not getting that criteria. So if a criteria is biased, it means that you're not going to get a proper label for that, or proper treatment for that, or proper diagnosis for that. And you know that when we were having this discussion early, that it's very important to have early diagnosis in certain condition. For example, if it's autism and ADHD, because it has developmental delays or some other issues, and it should be met on the time actually. Next slide. Okay. So these are certain disorders which many women are not even familiar of until maybe their mother. So depression, anxiety के बाद pregnancy में depression, prenatal depression है around the time of their periods. Okay, पहले हमने PMS की बात की, now it's premenstrual dysphoria disorder. So it's kind of 80% more symptom of that condition. And then menopause. Menopause में pre-menopause भी होता है. For example, when the woman period is going to stop. So it's pre-menopausal depression also. And there's something else also. So a lot of, there's certain organizations now who are working on all those things. And now men are saying that now they understand that why their wife is feeling in certain way. Like, वो कहेंगे हम जब भी घर आते हैं आपका मुंह बना हुआ है, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, मुंह क्यों बना हुआ है. And when they are going through periods, so it's more like ये जितने मैंने condition बताई है ना पीछे, ख़वातीन ही ये चीज़ें फेस कर रही होती है उस टाइम पे. Like they will face those things in periods, and they will not even get the idea what is happening with them. And people around them are getting affected from them, specifically males, because they have certain demand, they have certain needs, and even household also. So now when we are doing, some what you could say awareness on them, now male are giving us this idea that we want to have to male be involved in those all kind of awareness sessions, so we know that why our wife or why our daughters or why our mothers are feeling in certain way, so we know that we don't fight with them, we don't argue with them, we don't make a scene out of in the house. And other than that, like other issues भी होते हैं. At the end of the day आपके घर का माहौल ठीक नहीं होता, but what is happening with the woman, because they ask this question. And I remember one of my clients telling me, मैम जब भी इसके पीरियड्स होती हैं मेरे साथ, मुझे पहले पता था कि मेरी शामत आ गई है, इसकी मुझसे लड़ाई होती है और ये मुझे 24 आवर्स जो है ना मैसेज पे रखती है कि मुझे इससे बात करनी होती है. एंड वट द गर्ल वुड बी सेइंग, मैम आई जस्ट वांट दैट पर्सन टू लिसन टू मी, आई जस्ट डोंट वांट हिम टू गिव मी एनी सजेशन, बिकॉज वट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज गिविंग मी सजेशन, आई डोंट वांट एनी सजेशन, आई जस्ट वांट हिम टू लिसन टू मी. So it's a real struggle that people are going through on daily basis. But since people are not aware of that, they don't know what is happening around with that woman. And again, if your mental health is not, and again, people would ask what is happening with me. Everything is going well, then what is happening? Then now, whenever they are going through that, they will just go and they will check that even उनकी periods की dates तो नहीं आ रही, because उसमें ऐसा होता है कि वो 10 days पहले या 5 days पहले उनको इस किस्म के सिम्टम्स आना शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो इट इज़ हेल्पिंग देम आउट टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम सेल्फ एंड गिविंग सम टेकिंग सम डिफरेंट मेजर्स and planning something for with her husband, or maybe not with her husband, going out and doing something else. So it is going to make them better and also make the household better too. So that is why that is important for men to understand that.
Situation to situation, they must have the sensitivity towards this.
Yeah.
Sensitivity.
Because at the end of the day, it's a sensitive thing.
Awareness and sensitivity नहीं होगी.
Yes, again.
How when male's role is very vital one in this.
It is because at the end of the day, because if men are not aware of that, they are going to have a big fight in the homes every day. खाने पे fight है, नाश्ते पे fight हो रही है, and वो like I'm working with couples also, and they would say that इसका तो हर वक्त मुँह ही बना होता है, इसका तो हर वक्त शक्ल ही बनी होती है, इसका तो हर वक्त चेहरा ही तुरा हुआ होता है. जैसे अभी मैंने कपल की एग्जांपल दी, नॉट दे आर नॉट मैरिड येट, बट द मैन वुड से दैट कि मैम जब इसके पीरियड्स आते तो मेरी तो शामत आ जाती है, अभी इसके आने वाला है, ये साथ मेरे साथ होने वाला है. सो ही इज़ ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग हिमसेल्फ फॉर दोज अटैक्स एक्चुअली. सो मे बी इट गिव हिम सम एंड हेल्प हिम अंडरस्टैंड कि कितनी बात करनी, किस टाइम पे बात करनी, कैसे उसको रिस्पॉन्स करना. तो इट्स मोर लाइक दैट. चेंज करें. Okay, now the important thing is that why women are affected most from those things. Like men, there are issues with men mental health also, but that are different. Why women have more issues, or why the nature of the women issues are different? Because maybe they are vulnerable, maybe there are other circumstances attached to that. Physically शायद vulnerable है, या environmental factor, work and home, and nowadays there's something else, like it's, I would not say that they are that much career oriented right now. मैं अपनी बहुत सारी फ्रेंड्स से पूछी तो they would say that they just want to sit in the home and they would want maids around them, उनके काम करती रहे.
Ignorant और educated दोनों एक ही वो पेज पर होती है.
इसमें अच्छा, जो एजुकेटेड वुमेन होती है उनका लेवल थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, बिकॉज उनको गिल्ट होता है कि हम अपने बच्चों को टाइम नहीं दे रहे, हम घर में टाइम सही नहीं दे रहे. एंड लाइक दे आर ऑन बिग लाइक पोस्ट, उनको वहाँ पे इश्यूज हो रहे होते हैं. Like you would see that somebody is, director general in one organization, and husband is also like on a big post, and you would see them as a happy couple, and their example will be giving everywhere, and उनके अंदर ये चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं. And उनको अक्सर उन्होंने मुझे बताया, थेरेपिस्ट ने कहा कि आप जॉब छोड़ दें. So this is not the solution to their problem. They must be working on something else. They must be working on some other ground, and they have to, revisit their own relationship also, because relationship, okay, लोग को डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी का कॉन्सेप्ट तो भी आ गया, बट दे डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड दैट दे हैव टू गो टू अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट फॉर रिलेशनशिप थेरेपी आल्सो, लाइक हाउ दे कैन बेटर देयर रिलेशनशिप, और इसकी वजह से बहुत डाइवोर्स नहीं होती. दैट इज द पॉइंट.
You would say that one could have the proper coaching or couple counseling.
If they are facing issue, they should go for that. Like
Every couple should have some other counseling.
it depends on them, because you cannot force people for do those things. If they feel that, because sometimes one person is coming and the other person is not coming. So again, we are in patriarchal society. So like for example, I'm working with children who have disability. I will only see mother. Like I will see mother for 1 year, and father is not working. And father road भी मैं तो on करता हूँ. Like for example, I'm working with a neurodivergent kid, and उसको he started picking his skin, और वो अपनी skin यहाँ से उतार रहा था. And I tried everything, and I tried to understand everything. I tried to communicate in every possible way. Okay, what is happening with the child? And he would say that you're hurting me. And I said, I'm not hurting you. Is it emotional hurt? What is happening with you? So somehow we realized that his father was not coming to him. Like then what he started doing, कि उसने उनके साथ lunch करना शुरू कर दिया था. And when he saw his father at that day, he just went to his mother and he hugged his mother also. So that's how a child who is not communicative, who is on spectrum, he is showing that he wants his father around him. So it's more like that. But again, issue are getting, like when you talk about different level, different societies and different, class to class. But even then, you know, if you talk about disability, children with disability, they have different issues. Single parent, different issue hai. Yeah, single unit family, they have different issues. So it's a different thing. So we are not just working with mental health like depression, anxiety. We are also working on psychosocial aspect of a relationship, or psychosocial aspect of, you could say that, a personality. Because a person is not existing in isolation. A person is existing in his environment, his or her environment. Yeah. So we have to see that what is happening around the environment and how he can cope with those things, and how he can develop his skills to combat those things, to change his way, or how to draw the, you know, the boundaries, which is going to help him. So now, like, now burden, if you talk about reproductive childbirth and care, and then I talk about periods and then menopause and then other things also attached to that. आजकल तो PCOS भी हो गया, लाइक PCOS पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवरी सिंड्रोम भी काफ़ी ख़वातीन में आ गया है, बच्चों में भी इवन होता है, और इवन कैंसर भी आ गया है. गॉड नोज फॉर वट रीजंस, बट अ लॉट ऑफ केसेस आर हैपनिंग इन पाकिस्तान इवन, और बहुत छोटे बच्चे में भी हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ बहुत डिस्टर्ब होती है, आपकी बॉडी बहुत चेंज होती है, द वे दैट यू आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड योर सेल्फ, द वे यू आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड योर हाउस होल्ड, दैट इज चेंजिंग अ लॉट. And then productive hai, wage earning, income generating activities, and sometimes, you know, there's something else into that also. If a man and woman is working, even I have seen that in people who call them feminist, sorry, no offense, okay, it is happening in their homes also. Their wives are also suffering. So yeah, it's something like that. Like they will, you know, they will just say that they will just go and they will sit just their home. और उनकी वाइफ बाहर भी काम करी, उनकी वाइफ यहाँ पे भी काम. इवन आई नो समबडी who is living abroad now, and she said that I am somebody who is running a very big organization on this thing, and my husband is something who would not even go and take a glass of water. And वो कहता है, and he would be, and he is in this, like he's in the other country because of that woman. और वो भी लगता है कि उस पर एहसान जता रहा है. I don't, you know, it is their upbringing. We cannot name everybody. At the end of the day, we also, you know, come from home. We have parents, and you know. But the thing is that people need to understand that there's no harm in respecting other people. There's no harm in giving space to somebody else. So if you say that हमारी माँ ने भी किया, there's a different thing. Like when we have this discussion with our friends, and my friend asked her mother, अम्मी आपको कभी डिप्रेशन हुआ था, अम्मी आपको कभी एंग्जाइटी थी, तो कहती थी बेटी मैंने तो कभी नाम भी नहीं सुना था इसका. So they were made resilient to those, and it's just, and there's something else into patriarchy also. It's not just about a man is doing that, it's about woman is also doing those things also, because those have been said, and these are actually roles rather than person. So person is not doing that, the roles are doing that, because idea is something, you don't have that idea possess you. So idea is something like you don't own that, ideas own you. Yeah, it is a blessing and it's a blissful. So, and then like talk about psychosocial expectation, marriage, family, male child extended, and you know there's something else which is also happening is girls with very good careers, you know, they are made left to, like they're asked to leave those careers. And I worked with a girl, and she was she was earning maybe 50 or more than 50K 6-7 years ago. And her husband asked to, you know, if you are getting married with me, just leave your job. So she leave the job, and the husband is earning a lot. Now her husband is giving her only 5K. Like, what is 5K nowadays? Like, if you're earning a lot, and she said that her husband is earning a lot. Like, he's giving his family and he's doing everything, but he's not giving to his wife. So it means that you are willfully making her suffer from the thing that you are. It means that you're trying to control that person. So it's again a mindset. So you cannot put that on everybody, but that person who have a maybe poor ego and wife is getting more, maybe a person is getting more, let's say, because at the end of it could be, go to the other thing also. So it's a psychosocial thing. Now, let's talk about patriarchy. Next, kare. This is the Cambridge dictionary, by the way, its definition. And there's one term which is also coined now, psychological patriarchy. And when I was studying about that, there was something else also written that sometimes it is the acquired role also. So it's not that something is happening over there. And also there's an interesting part in that also. So it's not just about the Pakistan right now. It's about all over the world. So this is happening everywhere. It's not just happening in this society. So even people are saying that they are modern and their societies are modern. Even then, women are not paid equally, like wages are not equal. And there are certain roles where women are not even there. So एक खातून वैसे बैठी होती है, but it's more like, you know, so it still exists in this 2025. And we can see that कि कोई खातून कितनी president बनी आज तक. पाकिस्तान में शायद प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन चुकी है. So now, a society in which the oldest male is head of the family, or a society controlled by men in which they use their power relation to their own advantage. So it's more like, you have power, but you're misusing that. So it's not just about the power that you have. Like if we have somebody in our house, even if it's male, even if woman, we just respect them, but that person is taking advantage of that power. So I have this power and I'm going to abuse that power. So it's on me that how I'm going to abuse that. In other words, patriarchy is a social system characterized by male power and dominance. And अच्छा मैं आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताती हूँ. पीछे भी हमने न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंस पढ़ा था ना, उसमें like I'm working with girls who are neurodivergent, and some of them literally told me that when we turned to the puberty, like जब वो 12 साल के हुए, तो we were so angry on our brothers and on ourselves, and even on like why God made us girl. Why we are not supposed to go outside and do something like that? Like बाकी लोगों तो शायद उनको समझ भी आ जाए, fixed role है, but they are so, and they are suffering from that, and they are hurting themselves, they are cutting their veins, so it's that it could hurt them that badly. So it's like, for other people maybe they are very happy people and they are enjoying and doing everything, but at the end of the day, what is happening with their body, their brain, at the closed door when they are sleeping, you never know. Okay, it is traumatic, and often patriarchal society can be rooted in the idea that men are superior to women. Patriarchal system may place a strong emphasis on a traditional gender role. For example, the idea of men as protector and head of the household and women as caregiver or mother, either systematically, legal or socially. So it's more like जब लोग शिकार करने जाते थे तो हज़रात जो थे वो शिकार करते ख़वातीन जो है ना, there's something else about the I think you might know that also कि ख़वातीन को काकरोच से बहुत डर लगता है. Like they are afraid of rats also, and छिपकली के से भी डर लगता है. What is the reason for that? There's a reason for that, and there's evolution reason for that, and the evolution is, this is what I'm talking about right now. कि men were going outside, वो शिकार करने जाते थे, ख़वातीन जो थी, they were going in the forest to collect food, and वहाँ पे उनको कीड़े काटते थे. So they were alert from that time. So it is coming from generation to generation. So it has a background. It's not just coming out of that, It is there. So yeah, change this, please. So let's talk about mental health and well-being in number ways. Change करें इसको. Okay, so limit to access to reproductive health के जैसे मैंने बताया, and it's not a joke if you are going in that cycle and you have to ask your brother to bring you pads. आपको अम्मी सबसे पहले मना करें कि आप मत मंगवाएं, and then even if you are going through some pain, तो आपको medication भी नहीं ले सकते. If you are fasting nowadays, कल मैंने वो देखी है, and she was holding something, कोई thermos उसके पास, and there was a lot of comments on that you are not fasting in Ramzan and stuff like that. So nobody is respecting that fact that she might be having her periods. So that is one thing, like limited access to reproductive health care. And we were मैंने भी recently हमने meeting की है इसके ऊपर with the government, and we were discussing a case जहाँ पे when the girl was having her period, तो उसको जो लेके गए थे तो उसको some mother asked her to, like कोई उनके वो थी household help थी, she asked her to use a kapda which was very dirty, and she was using constantly that kapda, and she was having a pain for the whole year. And just because of shame, they were not going to a gynecologist. And later on, they knew that she was having a cancer because of using that thing. So just because of that shame to that, and just because of not that, इसी वजह school की जो attendance है वो भी दिन ब दिन कम होती जा रही है. And there are other factors also, because when I'm talking about PMS, it's very, like, people are suffering from bad pain also. So a lot of things are going around that, and men are not aware of that.
You can say invest 6th class onwards, the medical awareness is properly taught them.
But it's a basic thing. You don't need to have medical background for that, Yeah. So inequality in employment, I talk about that, and it is happening around. And we were having in a meeting, and where we talk about कि कोई इस्लामाबाद में कोई मीडिया हाउस जहाँ पे कोई शायद फीमेल जर्नलिस्ट नहीं थी, all male were there. So yeah, this is happening, and even this is happening in educated cultures also. And difference in salary compared to male, like wage gap होता है. Gender-based violence such as domestic violence, sexual assault, and use of forced, otherwise oppressed women. And even sometimes ये भी होता है कि even if it's not that, I remember one of my friend is working in an organization where they started working on this period and menstrual health. So the male said that we are not going to work on this topic. Even then, they got the funding for that thing. But they said that we are not going to work on that. And sometime they would say that this female came and we are not going to work under. So बहुत सारी issues लोगों ने face किया इसकी वजह से. And I remember we were in a meeting and a woman told us कि पूरी building में washroom नहीं था. And what she used to do is एक कोई बाहर washroom होता तो उसको अपने साथ guard लेके जाना पड़ता था. और एक guard, 2 guard बाहर खड़े होते थे. And she would go to a public washroom, not in the washroom. And I'm talking about a government sector. I'm not talking about some other place. So this is how women are facing problems. Lack of political representation and inability to participate in politics. But other than that, decision making खवातीन के पास नहीं है. Next करें. Now, gender discrimination. And gender discrimination is still, people are facing that in 2025. And it's not just here. It is happening around the world. And women are subordinate position resulting in discrimination and marginalized. This can lead to feeling of low self-esteem, shame and worthlessness, which can negatively impact mental health. And it is also creating frustration, rebellion, like if somebody is rebel and doing certain activity which they are not supposed to do, and which is going to affect their whole family also. Like when they are on rebellious mood, उनको idea नहीं कि जो decision कर रहे हैं वो उनकी family को भी affect कर सकते हैं, तो बाद में उनको भी affect करेगा. Like I'm talking about, for example, if somebody is going to harm themselves. Like I'm working with a girl and she was having certain issue with her, जिससे उसकी शादी हो रही थी, उसके साथ कोई issue हुआ. So हुआ ये कि what she used to do when she is having that, she start cutting her hand. When she like extremely anxious in that state. Stress and like she was going through something, a lot of things she was going through, but there was some fight which happened over there, and the thing is that she is living alone over there. So can we understand that if the bleeding is too much, who is going to save her? Like उस बंदे के पास उसकी बहन रहती, इसके पास कौन जाएगा? So उसकी judgment है, उसका idea है कि वो कितनी important, and there's something else into that also. What is going to happen with the family afterward? With the parents, with the siblings? They are going to live with that trauma, and I have seen those people. And their trauma is beyond explanation. It's that bad. You cannot speak in those words. There are so many stories, but you can understand that कि जानने वाला तो चला जाता है, लेकिन जिसके बाद के लोग होते हैं, what is happening with that? Like it's a scary world, Gender-based violence, patriarchy often leads to gender-based violence, including sexual assault, domestic, harassment है, PTSD है, abuse है, child sexual abuse है, and इसको next change करें. Like one way or the way these things are related. Bullying also, Okay, now there's another thing that also that sometimes women are only in the organization because they are pretty. Or sometimes, not just that. Like when I started my career, I work on one thing. That I don't want people to know me from my face. I want them to know me from my work. And it took me a lot of time to do that. Because when I was in the start of my career, people would say that, oh, she's pretty, she got that thing. And I just don't wanted that at all. So it is again sexualization, sexualizing somebody from that thing.
Not as a being, rather as a
Yeah, again, because it's not just you a person, there's a lot of things that you are doing in that area. So doing that, as it's also happening with men also. I'm not saying that this is happening with women, it's also happening with men. If they're pretty, if they're handsome, तो ये उनके लिए टिकट है किसी भी जगह पे जाने के लिए, And also, this can lead to body image issue, low self-esteem, anxiety, body appearance, and so many other things also. And I remember there was one girl I was working with, and she started slapping her face because of that reason. Later on, she started smoking and the other thing also. But she said, just because of that thing, people would say that you get that because of this thing. So other than that, sometimes women are only hired because of that reason. Or maybe they are just, उनको सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए रखा जाता है, उनसे कोई चीज़ नहीं पूछी जाती. Even there are many bodies also. They are sitting over there and they are just there for the sake of a woman member. Other than that, they are not asking anything from them. They are not taking their opinion on anything. And they are just degrading them, at one way or other way around. Restriction on autonomy, patriarchal society often limit women autonomy both in terms of their physical movement and their decision-making power. This can lead to feeling of frustration, helplessness, lack of control over one's own life. And again, like जैसे मैंने आपको example दी थी about that woman. Like she's a government employee, and she was not supposed to go to washroom. Now you can understand that a woman have to be in a place for 8 to 10 hours and she cannot go to washroom, and it means that she's not going to take water also, and she's not going to eat anything over there. So there are certain things which are affecting the biologically and psychologically also. So restrictions are there, and sometimes people are not even able to understand कि आर कहाँ से आ रही है, frustration कहाँ से आ रही है. What they are doing, they are using power over that. तो वो कोई भी ऐसे measures उसके ऊपर ले लेते हैं जिससे वो चीज़ खराब हो जाती है, not like ठीक नहीं होती.
constant stress रखा जाता है.
It is, and there's a thing, people think that if they will put fear and pressure on you, you are going to learn. And when you're in fear and when you're in extreme pressure, you're going to perform well. So this is a very good practice over here. Like in school, in education system, even if in office, in corporate sector, this is what they make you feel. कि अगर आप काम नहीं करोगे, and also remember one thing, that you are replaceable. कल आप नहीं जाएंगे, आपकी जगह कोई और आ जाएगा, but you are just constantly putting your all efforts in that place, not understanding that your own health is important, your own mental health is important. So socialization, culture norm, patriarchy का society often precipitate harmful cultural norms and socialization practices that reinforce gender stereotype and limit women. And also, it's not just women are not, men are also getting affected from that. For example, if we come from a background where girls were not educated, so maybe our family have to migrate from that place to this area so that their daughter get education. So they have to take a big role, like a big migration ko karni padi just because of that thing. Because living over there, you cannot have that. You have to, and you know that what is happening like that, गाँव में पूरी बरादरी खड़ी हो जाती है घर के बाहर. What are you going to do that? And let's say in Pakhtun culture, वो साथ असला भी लेके आते हैं. So it's not just about that. It's a lot of things happening around, and it's not just about this culture. Things like that is happening in other cultures also. So it's not just people, and sometimes जिन लोगों ने rule बनाया होता है ना, वो भी affect होते हैं इससे. So it's not just them, it's they're getting affected from them, that also. But it's like generational trauma hai, so somebody have to come forward and take that break. So stigma and shame, it's like gender norms, expectation can lead to feeling of shame, guilt, low self-esteem, and again it could worse or forward, it could go to depression, anxiety also. Next, kare. Change kare. Okay, now to address this issue, what we can do, like for example, if we talk about so many things, and what we can do is like education and awareness raising. Like this is Black Hole is playing a very good role in doing those things, and they're talking about topics which nobody else talked about before. So I think it's we have to praise those initiatives if somebody is doing that. Yes, a brave initiative, because initiative in a place, even if people are educated, they are still. I remember I went to a podcast, and the person was asking different questions from me. So I started talking about child abuse. Kafi time se this is a very sensitive topic, and one way or other way, if I have 10 cases, 6 or 7 went through child abuse, one form or other form, even sexual abuse also. There could be different circumstances, let's say. So I started talking about that, and I give him example of some place, and I just talk about the whole incident to him. And what he said that while talking, he asked me a question about feminism. And I said that, why you ask this question from me? Like, he said that, okay, if you like or if you dislike, you should be very clear on your perspective. I said that, I tell you about one incident of child abuse. You are going to cut that, and you said that to me that, कुछ हजरात mind कर जाएंगे. हमारे कुछ scholars mind कर जाएंगे. तो मैं एक cut कर दूंगा. But you want to have my perspective on that, so it's just like you are, forced to do those things. So it's same like that. If you are, empowering, and your people are forcing, if you're not doing that, you don't want to do, people will make you forced to do that, because this is what society is, this is what group is. So next is empowerment, women and gender, like giving them authority and giving them a chance of, at least do something and prove themselves, or maybe stop, this thing of, okay, you have to, fight with these things, and you have to prove yourself for that, and you have to go to extra mile. हमें women leader चाहिए. आप ये कह तो रहे हैं, but you're not giving them मौका. So what you're doing them, आप उनको आपस में लड़ा रहे हैं. You're not giving them equal opportunity. You are giving them this, and you're asking all women to fight on that. So there's a difference between giving equal opportunities and letting them fight over small things. Next is community support. Like we talk about, like this place is a kind of community support that we are getting over here. Women are coming here and they're talking about different topics, controversial topic maybe, and topics people never talk about that before. So it's more like that. Next current slide. I think khatam hone wala to. Okay, let's talk about recent studies. It's very interesting, by the way. एक में खासे अभी 24 फरवरी को हुई है. नेक्स्ट करें. Okay, so how social media impact women psychological well-being in the patriarchal structure? The moderating effect of social capital. So I just give the reference of the people who did that. मेरे ख्याल से में कुछ पाकिस्तानी शायद इंडियन भी हैं इसमें. 23 फरवरी को हुई है. इसका कंक्लूजन क्या है? Despite the higher potential of digital technology, culture power still rules developing countries like Pakistan. Social media use are great general culture specific, contributing to psychological well-being and developing social capital. The result from Pakistani society recommend ensuring the secure digital experience of women to get maximum benefits from social media and enhance their psychological well-being. अच्छा, इन्होंने मैं आपको एक interesting study बताती हूँ. And this interesting study has happened during the COVID time period. And there's this gaming culture nowadays. Like a lot of people are doing many social games. And what is happening in those games are people are talking to each other. And that is becoming a prime way of sex trafficking. And yeah, it is side effect. And because there was one case happened 2 weeks or 3 weeks before, and then that the boy get to know some girl, and उसे शादी की, उसे घर आई है, like उन्होंने they accepted that girl, वो घर में रही है. So what happened that कि उसको 10 लाख रुपए चाहिए थे, उन्होंने किसी तरह से उसको करके दी. And what she did is she took 10 lakh rupees and she took his sister also. So that's how they are ganging up and that's how they are using women. And बहुत सारे cases भी, जैसे दुआ फातिमा का केस हुआ वो भी कुछ ऐसा ही था. It's because people are thinking that आप लोगों को मोबाइल दे दिया, it's a good thing, but this is happening around. So because the online harassment is happening, and online harassment is very real. Like for example, if somebody is suffering from any kind of psychological problem, gender-based violence affect कर रही है, उसको कोई भी बंदा मैसेज करके कहता है, and I have seen those cases. And she would just go to that person because that person is listening to her. And I remember I just did one case, and that woman was met that person on, I think, TikTok or maybe Snapchat. And that person took her, and that person took her in a house जहाँ पे पंखा भी नहीं था, जहाँ पे एक फोम पड़ा था, जहाँ पे एक पंखा वो था, उसका बिजली का पंखा था, वहाँ पे लाइट नहीं होती थी और चूंटियाँ उसके ऊपर रोज चढ़ती थी. And she went from a house who was a very good, like, big household. But what were the circumstances which lead to those decisions? So you need to be careful when you are having those society issues. तो इसके सब फिर हमारे सामने आएंगे. Next करें. Yeah, this is the thing. So next is emotional abuse in women and girls. Yeah, patriarchy. Okay, मैं इसकी वो पढ़ देती हूँ. Mental health के उसमें ही है. In narrative review, we have highlighted the emotional abuse of women and girls mediated by patriarchal upbringing. Emotional abuse is often a result of parents imposing control over their children and daughters to comfort their norm, adopting. And okay, I think the point is that ये वैसे women again gender based violence again women and girl की ही चीज़ है कि again victimize जब आप करते हैं mental health को वो करते हैं, the point is that कि how it is affecting overall girl being, because at the end of the day when you're asking a household who is going to make a house, so that is women, and we need to understand that when we are not taking care of those things, when we are not understanding those things, it's not just about us, it's about our sisters also, it's about our parents also, it's about our mother also, it's about the woman that is coming to your house. So you don't want a woman who is suffering and suffering alone, so it's just kind of giving them a voice. So I think it's all about today and
Assalamu alaikum. Can you explain precisely the fine line between being an introvert and going into isolation or actively avoiding social interaction? Like, what is that fine line between it and what causes it?
So, when you talk about being introvert, it's somebody who would, there's something else which we need to understand now, that there's a difference between people who are talking psychology as a layman, like it's a layman terminology, let's say, and there's a difference between when we are looking towards something that is, you could say that clinically significant thing, like how we are going to talk about that thing clinically significant. So for example, if somebody would come to me, जैसे आपने उसकी बात की थी, ADHD की बात की, she can be a introvert girl, बात नहीं करी किसी से. And there's something else also, that if that girl is not talking to somebody, why she's not talking to that person, like why she's not getting involved in that communication. So there's a difference between your personality and there's a difference between that you are avoiding something. So there's some undiagnosed condition, जैसे for example autism में जो लड़कियां होती हैं वो shy होती हैं, they don't talk to people, वो but mother would say that the girls are coming to the house and they're not telling that what is happening in that in the house in the school. So एक मैं आपको केस एग्जांपल देती हूँ जिससे आपको शायद इंट्रोवर्ट की समझ आ जाएगी. या how can you see that if the thing that we talk about today and why it's important to understand those things. She studied in a big school by the it's a chain school, and the mother picked the girl and she took that girl to a shopping mall, and they eat outside and they spent whole time outside. And when they came back in the evening time, it was like 7 or 8 p.m. in the evening time, and when she was changing the dress of the girl, she was having a very big burn mark on her hand. और उस पर आबला बना हुआ था, इतना बड़ा आबला बना हुआ था. एंड द स्कूल सेड नथिंग दैट दिस हैपेंड, and the girl also didn't tell what happened, but she didn't cry, you know, like for example if the girl cried in the classroom, the teacher would say what is happening, but she didn't did that. Maybe she did, but teacher might not pay any attention to her. So the girl went to that mother went to the school, and mother said that oh bachchi ka kasoor tha, like school was saying that. So they make her accountable that was her fault, and she was not able to defend herself over there. So for other people वो introvert थी. For us, यानी कि as a clinician, I would see the symptoms in her, mutism symptom in her. So your way of looking toward her be one introvert, and my way be mutism है. Now you get the point. Okay, she was in constant pain. Like burn mark is not a small mark, it's a big mark, you know, and ये pain 7-8-9 घंटे बर्दाश्त करना. And she was under traumatic stress, not able to say. And let me give you an example of that case, that kind of a case also. So there was this woman, she was going to some out, like this is a UK case by the way. So you know that वहाँ पे बर्फ होती है, like UK US में बर्फ होती है. So she was going to some place and she asked her daughter to go to her mother, like her neighbor house. And both the children were playing outside, and there was this there was this snow outside. And the woman came outside and she asked her daughter, like neighbor ने अपनी daughter को बोला कि आगे खाना खा लो अंदर. And the other girl was there, and the other girl stayed there over all day till night in that rain plus snow. When the woman came and she asked her daughter, what you are doing outside? She said that I'm just outside, I don't know what to do over here, you know, like you asked me to go to her house and she asked us to go outside and play. So she said that why you're not inside? तो कहती मुझे नहीं बोला उन्होंने. And that woman also said that कि मैं तो दोनों को कहा था, but she wanted to have कि उसने मुझे नहीं बोला, उसने सिर्फ अपनी बेटी को बोला. So this is also a form of mutism for us, but for you it would be introvert person. Somebody not going there intentionally, बात नहीं कर रहा, communicate नहीं कर रहा लोगों से, that is something we would call it introvert. So it's not about कि it's a form of or sign of, you could say that some disorder or whatever. Maybe for us it would be, we have to also see that if you're looking toward that girl or that woman, because if somebody is introvert, if somebody is not talking about that, then she is, what if she is in domestic violence? People would say that why you are staying in that relationship, in that abusive relationship, तुम घर क्यों नहीं छोड़ के आती? You can imagine that woman don't know how to get out of that situation, and that could eventually lead to death also. So it might be a small thing maybe, but for other people जो कि neurotypical होते हैं, उनके लिए वो अलग से होती है. Not being talking to other people, being shy, not getting along with other people, not having many relationships. But कैंडी की other form होती है जिसमें like if they are ADHD people, socialize भी करते हैं, कुछ autistic भी socialize करते हैं. So it is something like that कि अगर एक चीज़ हो भी है तो उसको अगर हमने देखना होगा clinically तो हम कैसे देखेंगे उसको. So I hope you understand my point now.
थिंग इज़ कि अभी आपने जब प्रेजेंटेशन दी तो उसमें आपने लोअर सेल्फ इस्टीम को भी रेफ़र किया, और अभी जब आप इंट्रोवर्जन को एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी तो उससे भी ऐसे लगा कि इट्स लाइक अ स्पेक्ट्रम विच कैन टू मी इट माइट बी इंट्रोवर्जन टू, और इन अदर वर्ड्स टू यू इट माइट बी म्यूटिज्म. आई जस्ट वांटेड, मुझे इस पूरे लेक्चर से पहले आई यूज्ड टू बिलीव कि जैसे ये जो lower self-esteem है या introversion है, these are just personality traits. I never viewed them as mental disorders. So,
but like traits of something indicating something, like you were. This is what you mean.
So precisely, how can introversion or lower self-esteem be actually psychological disorders? Are they not just traits of personality?
Okay, remember one thing when I was talking about उसमें जो नाम थे वो depression, anxiety was a disorder. वो क्लिनिकल डिसऑर्डर होते हैं, बिकॉज आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट फैक्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट क्योंकि वो हमारे DSM में मौजूद है, ADHD ऑटिज्म मौजूद है DSM में, बट बर्न आउट नहीं लिखा हुआ मिलेगा आपको. बर्न आउट आपको डिप्रेशन के अंदर मिलेगा, सेल्फ स्टीम आपको डिप्रेशन के अंदर मिलेगी, लो सेल्फ स्टीम आपको उसके अंदर मिलेगी. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेल्फ स्टीम. Let's talk about self-image actually. So what is self-image? Self-image means that the way that you think about yourself. The way you think about yourself, that how you are. So what people do? People would look toward themselves the way that other people are looking toward you. Like for example, आपके अम्मी ने कहा कि आप काली हो, छोटी हो. तो there was one video last week and it was a very beautiful video. There was a black girl who was sitting with her mother. उसकी mother उसके बाल बना रही थी. तो mother was saying something. So she said that I'm not beautiful, I'm ugly. And she started crying over there. So it means that somebody told her that you're ugly, you're black. So she started seeing herself from other perspective. So what is going to happen when you see yourself from other perspective? Means that your self-image is very poor. You are taking energy from other people. It means that you are giving importance to the, or you're not even able to differentiate that ke, how I am supposed to do things for myself and I am supposed to do things for other self, or how I am supposed to please other people. What people will do? People will start looking toward other people because they will make them happy. They are socializing with everybody. They are going toward everybody. They are meeting them. They are greeting them, and they are giving their everything to those people, just to be included, just to be not left alone. और जिस इंट्रोवर्ट की आपने बात की, हो सकता है कि वो शायद अलग हो, इसलिए वो इंट्रोवर्ट बन गई हो सकता है वो डिफरेंट हो, इसलिए वो इंट्रोवर्ट बन गई हो सकता है कि उसके आइडियाज़ बाकी लोगों को पसंद ना आते हो, इस वजह से वो इंट्रोवर्ट बन गई हो. तो इंट्रोवर्ट इस काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक यू कुड से दैट, बट वी कैन नॉट से दैट कि इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ डिसऑर्डर. जो हमारे क्लिनिकल डिसऑर्डर थे उनके नेम्स अलग होते हैं. Maybe sometimes it's not like that because and there's something else also. If girl is not talking, the thing is that problem is कि हमारे यहाँ तो लोग जो है ना उस चीज़ को support करते हैं ना. It's a very good girl who is not talking, and you're not getting the idea that she might be autistic, she might be ADHD, she might be a dependent person on you, she might have some other disability, let's say, and you're not understanding that tomorrow if she get into a narcissistic relationship and she get attached to that person, do you think that she's going to come out of that relationship? No, that's not easy for that girl then. So it's a very unique relationship which is happening around abuser and abusee. So that is something like that. I hope now you understand that.
असल में देखें, ये जो साइकोलॉजी और ट्रीटमेंट और बिहेवियरल पैटर्निंग, थिंकिंग पैटर्निंग, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ना एक बड़े इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल की चीज़ें हैं और एज ए सब्जेक्ट और एज ए पेशेंट पर डील की जाती हैं. लेकिन हकीकत में देखें तो ये 6th क्लासेज ऑनवर्ड जो है ना, ये पूरा मेडिकल अवेयरनेस का एक केस है. पेट्रियार्की ठीक है उसमें इन्वॉल्व हुई है, ये ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन हुआ है, इंटेलेक्चुअल एवोल्यूशन, उससे हम अभी भी गुजर रहे हैं. लेकिन ये सारा जो एंड गेम पहुँचेगी वो यहीं पर है कि तालीम और मुआशरत जब तक शहरी की और ख़ास तौर पर औरत की जो है ना, क्योंकि इससे पहले तो सारा का सारा मर्द का ही सफ़र है और वो सफ़र तो सारा जंग जदल और जराइम का और एग्रेशन और वॉर्स का ही था. सही फ़िक्र और सही मानी खेल जो माशरे हैं वो तो ये पिछले 200-300 साल से जब से इंडस्ट्रियल एरा शुरू हुआ, एग्रीकल्चरल एज ही तो पेट्रियार्की लाई है. उसी ने औरत को मतलब कंट्रोल किया. जंग पर कौन जाता है, जहाद पर कौन जाता है, या ताकत के जितने काम हैं, सख्त काम है या एक्सटर्नल काम है, वो मर्द ही करता है. औरत तो हमेशा ही जो है ना इंडोर ही रही है. तो औरत को बाहर निकलेगा तो ये कोई 200 साल पहले जो है ना वो मौका मिला एजुकेशन की बदौलत. अगर एजुकेशन होती तो औरत एक घर से दूसरे घर तक शादी ही की या यही एक्सचेंज होता था. तो अब की जो दुनिया शुरू हुई है जिसमें हम ये कह सकते हैं कि औरत की तालीम पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम हो, ड्रॉप आउट केसेस कम किए जाएँ, ये लीडरशिप के ऊपर भी बहुत बड़ा रोल आता है. अगर हमारे लीडर्स ही जो पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं जो वोट लेते हैं, अगर वो ख़ुद पेट्रियार्की और मेल डोमिनेटिंग और एग्रेसिव बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, फ्यूडल बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, या वो है ही सरमायादार और जागीरदार और इस तरह के जो माइंड सेट्स हैं. लेकिन ये ज़रूर है कि तालीम आम हो रही है, लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ जो है ना ये अवेयरनेस की है. और ये 6th और 10th के दरमियान का जो सिलेबस है ना, उनमें ये चीज़ें लाई जाए. हम कहते हैं ये जो MPhil लेवल का, PhD लेवल का, यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल का, या ये NGO लेवल का, या ह्यूमन राइट्स लेवल का, या इंटेलेक्चुअल.
मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बताती हूँ, इन्हीं के इस पॉइंट से है. व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट पेट्रियार्की, व्हाई इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. When I started my career, like in 2011, let's say that I started working with neurodivergent community, like autistic and I started as a developmental psychologist. Like I was becoming an adult psychologist. Like I was learning that, but I was working as a developmental psychologist. So, for example, if we have 10 client cases, 9 are boys, 1 girl. How humanly, medically, it is possible that only 1 girl have that issue, 10 boys don't have that issue. So that's why when we talk about patriarchy, we need to understand that why only boys are coming to us. बिकॉज कल को उन्होंने सहारा बनना है, उनके साथ बड़ी उम्मीदें अटैच है, लड़का है तो माँ का सहारा बनने का बहुत सारे टीचर्स के साथ अटैच है, उसके ऊपर वो अलग आना भी चाहते हैं, पैसे भी उसको देना चाहते हैं, उसको बाहर मुल्क भी भेजना चाहते हैं, उसके ऊपर बड़े बड़े जो है वो इन्वेस्टमेंट भी होती है, उसको बड़े बड़े कारोबार भी शुरू करके दिए जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट a girl, like you're talking about, introversion, or I talk about a girl who have mutism, let's say, that nobody is paying any attention to her. But also because she is not a problem. क्योंकि एक बीमारी एक है लेकिन सिम्टम्स अलग हैं बिकॉज ऑफ जेंडर डिफरेंस. लड़के में अलग तरीके से आ रहे हैं, लड़की में अलग तरीके से आ रहे हैं. बट क्योंकि गर्ल नीड टू बी इंट्रोवर्ट और वो घर के अंदर जो है उसको वो करते हैं और वो उसका डिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए, हस्बैंड के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए. एंड वी आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट शी इज सफरिंग अलोन. शी इज नॉट हैप्पी इनसाइड. She is sad. She is in depression. And we know that if somebody is not happy, the kids that she is going to have, उनके साथ भी इशू होगा. So the point is that now, like, अब जो कहीं जाके रेशो चेंज हुआ. And there's something else also. First it was only children and it was only adult people. Like parents आते थे, let's say, like उनको depression, anxiety. Now with the passage of time, what is happening now? Now I would see people from 12 plus also. Like 12 साल से ऊपर के लोगों भी मैं देख रही हूँ और इसमें लड़कियाँ भी हैं. So with the passage of time now, girls have to take a step forward to be able to be seen. They're fighting with their parents and they want their parents to come forward.
बैरियर ब्रेक हो रहे हैं.
बैरियर, और वो खुद ब्रेक कर रही हैं. Nobody else is doing that for them. They are doing that. Maybe father शायद वो कर रहे हो साथ, या मदर भी शायद कर रही हो, लेकिन वो ये स्टेप ले नहीं अपने लिए. And I remember I was working with a girl and she was allowed to play in a football club, but she was not allowed to choose arts as a subject. So कितनी contradiction है. Then there's something else also. You're sending your children into a school who is a combined school, and now you want your child to be separate from them. How is it going to work like that? Like, it's a co-education system. Why you want? And then you are fighting with your wife over that. And the daughter is getting into severe medical procedures because she developed eating disorders. And she have that kind of a file and she went to every kind of treatment. But she don't understand what is happening because for her, she is a problem because parents आपस में लड़ते हैं, कहते हैं तुम्हारी वजह से हम इधर बैठे हुए हैं, ये रिश्ता तुम्हारी वजह से चला रहे हैं हम लोग. So there is a shift around that people don't want to spend maybe on women. So वो education पे नहीं, mental health पे भी नहीं कर लगाते. Drug addiction कितने cases आते हैं, लड़के आते, लड़कियाँ उसके लिए नहीं आ रही होती हैं. So the thing is that when we talk about patriarchy, it's असल प्रॉब्लम्स वहाँ पे आता है, असल प्रॉब्लम फाइनेंसिस पे आते हैं.
ये भी कहा जाता है कि जो वर्स मतलब टॉर्चर होता है वो फैमिली के अंदर ही होता है. यानी कि बहुत से जो टॉर्चर्स हैं वो फैमिली के अंदर भी मौजूद हैं, चाहे वो कल्चरल हैं या ट्राइबल माइंडसेट है. क्योंकि आउटर जो एक्सपोजर है या जो इंटरेक्शंस है वो नहीं है. अगर तालीमी इदारे के अंदर भी है तो वो भी तो ज़ाहिर कहीं ना कहीं किसी बैकग्राउंड से ही आते हैं. तो ये एक माइंड सेट चेंज करने में ये बहुत मतलब है कि लीडरशिप का बहुत रोल है और टीचर्स का बहुत रोल हो सकता है. लेकिन हमारे टीचर भी पैट्रियार्किकल होती हैं. अगर वेमेन है तो वो भी दबी हुई है, जहाँ आपको हाउ टू ड्रेस एंड हाउ टू टॉक तक जो है वो मॉडल कर दिया जाए. यानी हाउ टू अप्रोच ना बताया जाए कि हाउ टू अप्रोच एंड हाउ टू गो आउट एंड हाउ टू मीट विद एंड गो डिफरेंट इंटरेक्शंस, इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज, आइडियाज़ एक्सचेंज, मैनी थिंग्स आर इन्वॉल्व टू बेस ए एंड ग्रूम ए पर्सनैलिटी. जहाँ मतलब एजुकेशन बाद जगहों में बाद फैमिली में एक सर्कल चल पड़ता है, लेकिन जो हाउ टू ड्रेस एंड हाउ टू टॉक और ये सारी चीज़ें मतलब रोकती हैं. हाउ टू अप्रोच की अभी तक परसेप्शन हमारी शुरू नहीं हुई है.
समथिंग अबाउट सम ऑफ माई केसेस. You know that I don't know you're familiar of that or not, but school stabbing is happening in UK a lot nowadays. बहुत ज़्यादा स्कूल स्टैबिंग हो रही है यूके के अंदर. तो घर के अंदर नहीं, स्कूल के अंदर हो रही है. सेकंड थिंग इज़ दैट आई वाज वर्किंग विद अ गर्ल जिसकी फ्रेंड्स ने एक मैनुअल बनाया था, फ्रेंड्स ने मिल के, लाइक अ बुलिंग केस कि इसको हम कैसे कैसे टॉर्चर करेंगे, नाउ हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू किल हर. The house was safe for her, but this is what was happening with her in the school. So we cannot say that because people might be very happy in their household, but they are having worst of the worst situation around, in the environment, in the school environment, in the workplace environment. like harassment, like other kind of problem, like any form of abuse or any kind of torture, you could say that. So you cannot limit things to the household and one situation. It's a very diverse thing, and it's not just about कि आपको depression, anxiety, तो फिर हम mental health की बात करेंगे. We have to look toward the whole thing, and when we talk about mental health, it is from the day you are born till the day you die. So हर level की अलग form of needs हैं, उनकी अलग form of, even जब हम therapy करते हैं तो हम therapy अलग से हमें करनी पड़ती है. So it is something like that, that's a holistic approach like that. So does somebody have any question? Thank you.